This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the bill with consumer/account number, the phone registered to Google Pay, and sufficient balance or linked payment method. Open Google Pay now and sign in if needed. Once inside, tap the Pay or Utilities section, then pick Electricity. You'll see a provider list. Search or select yours. Make sure the account or consumer number field is visible, so you can enter exact digits from the bill to now you enter the account or consumer ID exactly as printed on the bill. Copying avoids errors. Once entered, Google Pay fetches the bill, verify the billed amount, due date, and any late fees it displays. If the bill doesn't appear, recheck the consumer number or retry the provider selection. Next, choose your payment method: UPI, linked bank, card, or app balance. If you have a promo or saved offer for that biller, make sure to apply it before confirming. You finish by tapping Confirm and authenticating using your UPI PIN, fingerprint, or device lock. After payment, Google Pay shows a digital receipt. Save or screenshot it and note the transaction ID for future reference. If the bill still shows unpaid, give systems about 10 minutes to update, then refresh the biller or app. For failed or pending transactions beyond that, contact your bank and the electricity provider with the transaction ID so they can trace and reverse or confirm the charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.